Yo, when I tell you this is a big truck, because I'm like 6 feet tall. So you got to remember, like, the average car, I usually stand over the average car. Normally, I usually stand over the average car. But I'm not just standing over my truck. Like, the back, yeah. But even if, look, like, okay, I can look in the back, but can everybody look in the back? Not everybody can look in the back. See that SR? That's all I need you to care about is that SR5. We're not getting no regular, the SR. No, we got the SR5. I got the S1H camera. I had to get the SR5 truck. You heard me? You know what I mean? Tundra. See the grill? Upset. The grill's angry. You see that? Maybe it could be a happy grill. Oh yeah, 2023. I think I probably put like 40, 50 miles on it. I might have put like 40, 50 on this. I'm not petty. Let's go. I got mad. That's all I got is boxes. There's boxes everywhere. That's all it is. But yeah, it's spacious. I'll tell you that. It's definitely spacious. It's definitely spacious in here. Got up here, a whole bunch of gas. Space, man, definitely spacious. I give it to them because they definitely. This truck is built beautiful. I give it to Toyota. I like the way they built this truck. The way they built this truck is perfect. So all the controls right here, right? Nice, simple. Start it. I'm on 3/4 of a tank. I try not to go too low. I got about 10,000 miles until maintenance, even though I will do that beforehand. But yeah, so let me see. So this right here is very cool. I feel like this part right here is crazy. Of course, you know, the Apple CarPlay and everything like that. Of course, the amount of space that they give you in your console is insane. So you have this right here. You want to just place something, put something up here, you have something here. So you can place something right here. Pardon the cup holders, right? Pardon the cup holders. So you have 2 cup holders here. You got cup holders over there on the side. You got cup holders over here on the side. And then we have more cup holders right here. But then, I like this right here because you slide this open. That right there, you guys, is for change. These are the chargers, and here is a ton of space for whatever you want to put right here. Of course, they have this is the regular. They keep this up here. And yeah, back there, oh, it's insane back here. Insane.